Today we are discussing the cell division. Cell division, what is the meaning of the cell division and how many types of the cells which are present in the plant tissues. There are two types of the cells, vegetative and reproductive cells. The vegetative also called somatic and reproductive also called generic cells. The reproductive cells formation from the ova and sperms which are undergoes meiosis. Only somatic cells which can be divided into the body cells are vegetative cells which are responsible to the growth and development of the cell. So now presently cell division. So what is the means of the cell division? So what are the cell division before that is also cell cycle. So how many stages which can be included into the cell cycle. The cell cycle is a interphase dividing phase, two subset interphase dividing phase. The dividing phase, which is metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and first one prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Then interphase is also called G1, also synthetic stages, G1 stages, G2 and G3. So the sequence of event from one division of cell to the next consists of the mitosis or a interphase. The sequence event the progress so a progress of the parent cells from creation to the cellular divisions. The parents which can be cellular divisions are these. The cellular divisions it contains a growth and DNA synthesis. So the cell cycle or a cell division cycle is the series of events that take place in a cell leading the divisions and duplication or replication. The cells without a nucleus, so that is also prokaryotic cells. The cells with a nucleus and development also called a well developed nucleus is called eukaryotic cells. The cell cycle occurs in a via process of termed as a binary fission in prokaryotes. So, like a amoeba and a paramecium, the cell undergoes mitotically only, not meiosis takes place, which is also called a single cell organisms. So that is it takes place in the binary fission, longitudinal fission. The cell which is a nucleus in eukaryotes. So the cell cycle can be divided into the two brief periods interphase during the cell growth, accumulation nutrients also needed for mitosis and duplication of DNA, and it's a mitosis M phase during which the cell splits into the two distinct cells, often called the daughter cells. So first you take that is also interphase and dividing cells. The interface is also which between the two cell division stages. The dividing stage is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and telophase. The four stages are there. So, but here is also on the mitosis, the cell divisions which can be divided into the three types: mitosis, amitosis, and meiosis. The mitosis, which is also interphase, first phase, that is second one is also dividing phase. The dividing phase prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and also called that is also called this. So this is also called a prophase. So this is also interphase. Interphase is also divided two types. Interphase is also first you take the DNA replication process. That is also the interphase is also three substages are there. The dividing phase is also two stages, mainly karyokinesis, cytokinesis. The karyokinesis are which can also further divide the prophase. So second one is also metaphase and also called anaphase and also telophase. The four stages is also nucleus division. So last stage are cytokinesis division. That is also cytokinesis. Daughter cells are dividing. So this is also important of the cell cycle. The cell cycle can be defined as the lifespan of the cycle. Lifespan of the cycle means the cell cycle is a consist of interphase, mitosis, also cytokinesis. So these are three. And that is also interphase. Interphase means only dividing. Under the synthesis of DNA molecules. But mitosis means cytokinesis. Mitosis or cytokinesis two is called dividing stages. So this is also first one you take that the growth normal, the growth one G1 stages, G1 stages, then synthetic stages and G2 stages. So first one is that is also G1, yes, G2, and second third one is also mitosis or metatic. Here G1 means in a growth one divisions. So S means also synthetic, also DNA replication process, which can take place in the synthetic stages. That G2 means growth and preparation of the mitosis here. So what is the dividing phase? Here is the first one is a one metaphase, also prophase. Second one is a metaphase. Third one is anaphase. Fourth one is a telophase. The four stages. The four stages are there. That is called a mitotic, also dividing phase. Dividing phase. So this one is a cell cycle. A cycle is a series of events that a cell passes through from the time until it produces the replicate. So in the form of a growth, the growth and division is single cell into the daughter cells into duplication process. A single cell which divides into the daughter cells of duplication. So in prokaryotic cells, the cell cycles occurs via process termed binary fission. In the eukaryotic cells, that is also interphase and also metaphase phase. The two stages are there. So this is also interphase. The interphase are there. Here is also G1, then also synthetic phase and G2 phase. This is also mitotic stage, also dividing phase. This is totally, you say this three is also one, first one, but here is also two, and here is the dividing phase. First one is also called interphase, second dividing phase. Two stages which are come. The cell cycle here is also clearly seen. So that is also one important part of the. That is also G1. Here is a G1, then G2, also called S. So these also stages are there. So then G1. Here is also G2, but here is that is a M stage or mitotic M phase. So the G1 also georesting phase. It is also interphase. The interphase is which divides into the three stages 1, 2, 3 interphase. Interphase are the three. So what is a cell division? There are two types of cell division that we are going to discuss: mitosis and meiosis. Here is important. The two stages mainly which is called mitosis also meiosis. In sometimes are mitosis are there. The mitosis is where a parent cell divides into the daughter cells. Parent cells divides into the daughter cells in which they can be divided again without further extra process. Only extra process, that is also single cell. The meiosis is when a cell is permanently transferred into the cell that cannot be further developed until fertilization. The fertilization, fertilization means the fertilization does not occur when do not formation of the male and female gametes. The male and female gametes formation depends on meiosis. The meiosis is a definite stage. It is a formation of the life. Without meiosis, without life. That is also most important meiosis takes place. So the cell division is also mitosis and meiosis. Both are called cell divisions. So the definition of the cell division is the process of one cell dividing into two identical daughter cells. One cell divides into two identical. Identical means the structurally, functionally similar to the daughter cells, which is also called a cell divisions are there. The cell divisions which is important for the The cell division which process are first one is here is a mother cells. Here is a daughter cells. The mother cell is also single, which undergoes mitosis to formation of the two daughter cells. Two daughter cells. These two daughter cells are similar to the structure of parents. Parent structures. Parentally also called similar. But that the importance of cell division can be appreciated by realizing the following facts. Cell division is the prerequisite for the continuity of a life and forms the basis of evolution to various life forms. The basis of evolution, various lifespans are there. So this lifespan is a measure with similar characters of the parents to the other generation. In unicellular organism, cell division is the means of asexual reproduction. In the unicellular is asexual reproduction, which produces two or more new individuals from the mother cell. The group of such identical individuals is known as clones. So mother cells, the two mother cells, and the mother cells are reproducing daughter cells. The daughter cells are more than two, that is also clones. In multicellular organisms, life starts from a single cell called a zygote. A zygote is a single cell which can formation of the starting of life. Any biggest animals in or smallest animals, any animals in the world, the nature, the living organisms, life is started from the single cell of zygote. The zygote is formation from the fusion of the male and female gamete. So the zygote transfers into an adult that is composed of millions of cells formed by successive divisions. Only zygote can be able to the multiply to largest number of cells formation. The cell division is the basis of repairs and regeneration of old and worn out tissues. The cell division is the basis of repairing cells. Repairs. Repairs means the dividing stages and also called a regeneration of the old cells. That is also one important mitosis. The normal cell divisions for growth and repairs in which the DNA the replicates and each of the two new data cells produces as a genetically identical copy of the original parent cell division. The two new cells will be genetically identical to the parent cells and produce them. The two new cells will be genetically identical to the parental cells is produces of them. That is called a mitosis. సో ఈ మైటాసిస్లో సెల్ డివిజన్ కొనసాగింపు ముందు అవసరమైన మరియు వివిధ జీవన రూపాలు పరిణామం ప్రతిపాదిస్తాయి. ఏకీకృతమైన జీవుల్లో కణ విభజన అనేది అన్యువల్ రిప్రొడక్షన్స్ మార్గంలో చెప్పవచ్చు, లేదా రెండు లేదా అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ కొత్త వ్యక్తులను తల్లి కణాల నుంచి ఉత్పత్తి చేస్తాయి. అలాంటి ఒక వ్యక్తులను సమూహంగా కూన్ అంటారు. బహుళసెల్యులార్ జైగోట్ అనేది ఒక కణం నుండి వివిధ జీవితం మొదలవుతుంది. జైగోట్ ఒక పెద్దవాటిగా మారిపోతుంది. ఇది తర్వాత వారు చేరుకున్న లక్షలాది కణాలు ఏర్పడతాయి. సెల్ విభజన. సో ఓల్డ్ అండ్ న్యూ cells are different. So cell divisions are which can reproduce. Cell divisions are reproduced. Cell divisions are reproduce the multiplication process, which are formation of the new daughter cells from the pre-existing parent cells. Pre-existing parent cells. So it occurs in three ways: mitosis or direct cell divisions, or mitosis or indirect cell divisions. Meiosis are also reductional cell divisions. Mitosis is a direct cell division. So this is also without interface and dividing cells. The mitosis are indirect cell division, which divides into the dividing phase or interphase and dividing phase. which is also two types of the first is the mitosis or direct cell division. Direct cell divisions. So these direct cell divisions are in Greek no ones are. It is also a mitosis is a mode of division in which nucleus elongates, constructs in the middle and divides directly into two daughter nuclei. The mitosis is a mode of division in which nucleus are elongates, constructs in the middle and divides directly into the two daughter nuclei. So it is followed by the centripetal constructions of the cytoplasm to form a two daughter cells. So then the mitosis is a centripetal constructions. So two unequal cells, not equally formation, that is called a masses. Also direct cell division, which is also do not formation of the two subdivisions. First one is also interface. Second one is also dividing phase, not different. So this one is a diagrammatically representation of the mitosis. So the cytoplasm, which is also the cytoplasm is a which can be based the cytoplasm. So this is also cytoplasm and the construction of the so this construction of the two constructions are it is also two data cells are formation. So what is here a diagrammatical representation? Diagrammatical representation of two nucleus are there. So what here is it? But this one is also prophase. The prophase is also nucleus divisions in metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and also called cytokinesis. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 is also called a dividing phase. Dividing phase. So this dividing phase which divides to two types. First one is also karyokinesis. Second one is also cytokinesis. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis are both are which response to the dividing stages. So mitosis is characterized by the prokaryotes. So mitosis. So this is also stages of mitosis are there. But here mitosis. But here is also the starting of the mitosis. The mitosis is indirect cell divisions, equational cell divisions, thread, state, to also got a synapses, also got a synapses or indirect divisions. Indirect divisions are somatic or vegetative cell divisions. The vegetative cell divisions, which is also called equational divisions or duplication divisions. The duplication divisions. The duplication divisions are so which is also definitions. Mitosis is a type of cell divisions in which chromosomes are equally distributed, resulting in two genetically identical daughter cells formation. Identically daughter cells are formation, which is important in the history. The mitosis was discovered in plant cells by Strasburger 1875. Later on Fleming 1879 discovered it is a animal cell and terms mitosis was coined by Fleming. The Fleming scientist was coined by the mitosis, not Strasburger. Only Strasburger was only identified, but Fleming was discovered in mitosis in animal cells. Occurrence the cells undergoing mitosis are called mitocytes. In plants, the mitocytes are mostly important cells which can formation of the new ones. So this is also important of the formation to the so Strasburger is a Fleming and the mitosis was first discovered in plant cells by Strasburger, animal cells by the Fleming. So it is the cells undergoing mitosis are called mitocytes. In plants, the mitocytes are mostly meristematic cells. Meristematic means only vegetative, so not a reproductive cells. So in plants, the mitocytes are mostly meristematic. In animals, the mitocytes are stem cells. The stem cells are which can be made by the divisions, that is called mitosis. So stem cells are germinal epithelial or embryonic cells. It also occurs during regeneration. Root tips in the best material to the study of mitosis. The stem cells are only vegetative, which can take place by the mitosis under the body in animals. But plants so do not stem cells are a very cell which can undergo mitotically to form a true cells except generative cells like a so anthers and ovary. This one too is also. So mitosis or these two types is important of the embryonic and also divide. The duration in various form from 30 minutes to 3 hours. The mitosis are which can be major important for the process of cell division. It can be takes place in the 1 to or 30 minutes to 3 hours. So steps of mitosis. Mitosis is a so continuous process, and the so better understanding the whole process is dividing into the following 6 stages. So that is also prophase. So prometophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase are also called C phase, also cytokinesis. Cytokinesis only karyokinesis and cytokinesis. So majorly that is also 4 stages are there. That is also first one is also prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. That is also dividing phase. Second one is also cytokinesis. The cytokinesis is a cell division, also cytoplasm division takes place. Cytoplasm dividing, that is important for the cell division process. So the 30 to 3 hours మైటాసిస్ అనేది ఒక నిరంత ప్రక్రియ మరియు అవగాహన కోసం మొత్తం ప్రక్రియ 6 దశలు విభజించబడతాయి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద మైటాసిస్, ద ప్రోఫేస్, మెటాఫేస్ అనేది the mitosis definition, purpose and application. First you take the prophase. The prophase is nucleus becomes spherical and cytoplasm becomes more viscous. The nucleus is a becomes spherical or means round shape structure. Cytoplasm become a viscous. Viscous means also just one fluid-like structures. The chromatin slowly condenses into the well-defined chromosomes. The chromosomes are slowly condensed. Condensed means it is also elongated, so thread-like structures. Each chromosome appears as 2 sister chromatids joined in the centromere. Each chromosomes 2 sisters chromosomes, and the one chromosomes are divided to 2 chromatid thread. So the spindle begins to form an outside nucleus in plants. The spindle apparatus or mitotic spindle is a anestral. In animals and brown algae, the mitotic spindle is a amphibolical and includes 2 sisters in opposite poles of the spindle. Each aster consists of 2 centrioles surrounded by astral veins. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద న్యూక్లియస్ అనేది గోళాకారంలో ఉండి సైటోప్లాజం మరియు జిగటగా ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ ద సెకండ్ వన్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో క్రోమాటిన్ నెమ్మదిగా పొగ నిర్వచించి క్రోమోజోమ్లను మారుతుంది. ప్రతి క్రోమోజోమ్ సెంట్రోమీర్లో చేరి ఈ 2 సోదరి క్రోమాటిన్ల వల్ల కుదిస్తాయి. సో దీన్ని మొక్క లోపల కుదురు సామగ్రి లేదా మెటికల్ స్పిండిల్ అవస్థలు జంతువులు మరియు గోధుమ ఆల్గే మెటికల్ కవులో కనిపిస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ అండ్ ప్రోఫేస్, మెటాఫేస్, అనాఫేస్ అండ్ టీలోఫేస్. ఫస్ట్ యూ టేక్ ద ఇంటర్ఫేస్. The interface is also how many stages are there? What are the important? Prometaphase. So nucleus are in evolus breaks down into the membrane vesicles and the chromosomes are set free into the cytoplasm. prometaphase అంటే metaphase before, that is called prometaphase. So these chromosomes are attached to spindle microtubules through kinetochores, specialized protein complexes that mature on each centromere are called a kinetochore. So then the chromosomes are attached to the spindle, also microtubules through kinetochores. So specialized proteins or complexes are there, and mature on each centromers are called a kinetochores. The third one is also nucleus or nucleus is a disappears in prometaphase. Prometaphase. So in this అణు కవచం పొర కణజాలాలు మరియు సైటోప్లాజం యొక్క స్వేచ్ఛగా ఏర్పడి క్రోమోజోమ్గా విభజించబడతాయి. సో దెన్ ద మైక్రోట్యూబుల్స్ జోడించబడి ప్రతి సిండ్రోమాలో పరిపక్వత ప్రత్యేకమైన ప్రోటీన్ కాంప్లెక్స్ లభిస్తాయి. న్యూక్లియస్ అదృశ్యం ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో సిండ్రోయల్స్, మైక్రోట్యూబుల్స్, క్రోమోజోమ్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో కార్డే సో దిస్ is also called chromosomes. Chromosomes are centromeres and microtubules are there, microtubules. So which is also spindle shape. The spindle shape centrioles are present. Centrioles. So this is also important it is also interface. Second one, the interface. Here is a first you take that interface and a prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, total cytokinesis. This all is also metaphase. The metaphase is a kinetochore microtubules align the chromosomes is one plane to form a metaphasic plate or equatorial plate. The process of formation of metaphase plate is called a congregations. The metaphysics is also congregations means also. So this is also joined to the parts and of the process of formation of metaphasic plate is called a congregations. The centromeres lies on the equatorial plate. The centromeres are totally arranged in equatorial. Equatorial means central part plate formation. That is also while the chromosomes arms are directly away from the equatorial called auto-orientations. Smaller chromosomes remain towards the center while larger ones occupy the periphery. Smaller chromosomes are remains towards the center part, larger one is close to the peripheral. So this is also metaphysics conditions. Anaphase. Chromosomes are split simultaneously at the centromeres so that the sister chromatids separate. They are now called daughter chromosomes, where each one consists of a single chromatids. Then chromosomes are splits. Splits means they separated simultaneously at the centromeres so that the sister chromatids are separate. They are now called daughter chromosomes, where each one consists of a single chromatids. The separated sister chromatids are moved towards opposite poles. Sister chromatids are towards the passes to the opposite poles to formation of the means terminal passes. Opposite means upper part and lower part. The two parts are its closes. The separated sister chromatids are moved towards the opposite poles at the speed 1 millimicron per minute. 1 millimicron per minute is upward poleward movement of daughter chromosomes occurs due to shortening of a kinetochore, microtubules appearance, and elongation of a interzonal fibers. So next one, daughter chromosomes are appears V-shaped. Daughter chromosomes are appears in a V-shaped also got a metacentric. L-shaped also submetacentric. I-shaped means also acrocentric and T-shaped means also telocentric. It is the shortest of all stages of mitosis. Anaphase is the shortest phase in all phases of the metaphase. Mitotic division. So then also fourth one, also fifth one is a, so this one also telophase, last one also dividing phase. The daughter chromosomes. So these daughter chromosomes arrive at the poles. Kinetochore microtubules disappears. So this is important is the daughter chromosomes arrive where the poles. Daughter So then kinetochore microtubules disappears. The nuclear envelope reform around each chromosomes cluster of each pole. The nuclear envelopes are present. At the upper part, the chromosomes are uncoiled into the chromatin. The nucleus reappears. It is considered as the reverse of prophase. The the prophase reverse phase is also called telophase. In the prophase, the nucleus is disappears, but here the nucleus is reappears. But here prophase, the chromosomes are uncoiled, so but here is uncoiled into the chromatins. The nuclear envelopes are each chromosomes or each pole appears, but nuclear envelope is disappears in prophase. So this is also differentiation of the prophase and telophase. The prophase and telophase both are called opposite. Then anaphase is the shortest phase in the metaphase or in the mitotic division. Last one is also C phase or called cytokinesis. It is the cytoplasmic division that starts during anaphase and completed by the end of the telophase. Then starting of the telophase, it can be cytoplasm is dividing the two. It takes place by two bare different methods. Example, cell plate methods and cleavage or cell farrow methods. The cell plate cytokinesis it occurs in plant cells. The spindle fibers are persistent at equatorial plane, so the Golgi vesicles thus at the center to form a barrel-shaped pharmacoplasts. Further addition of vesicle causes the pharmacoplast to grow centrifugally till the meets with the plasma membrane of the mother cell. The contents of the pharmacoplast solidified to become a cell plate or further middle amylase are present, which separate the two daughter cells. So the daughter protoplast, which secretes primary cell wall materials, are both sides of the cell plates or middle lamellae. So the total middle amylase are present in the two types. Two parts are separated, one part and other part. The one part is also first part is the first cell and second cells are formation. So this is also called cleavage. So it occurs in animal cells and pollen mother cells. Some angiosomes in the process, a cleavage furrows are appears. Furrows means a cell inside of the grooves are present. So during the grooves, the cell is there which divides into the two parts. In the process of cleavage, furrows appears at the middle, which gradually deepens and breaks the parent cells into the two daughter cells. A special structure called a mid-body is formed in the center and it is a centropetals are formed. So this is also important of the life cycles, also cell divisions of the plants. That is the total important of the year is also there. What are the importance of this one? This one is also so this is also first one is also prophase. The prophase is a nucleus and a nucleus is a disappears. Then the chromosomes are it can starting of the two chromated threads. So this is also first one. The second one is also called a pre-metaphase and metaphase are there. The pre-metaphase and metaphase both are important for the two chromated threads are separately to the two chromosome sets are formation. In the anaphase, it is a very shortest phase in the cell division. So this anaphase, then a poles south pole and north pole two poles appears. So in the south pole one set of the chromosomes and north pole is also one set of the chromosomes. These two sets of the chromosomes are formation in the two equal to form. So this after the only karyokinesis takes place. After the cytokinesis means the cytoplasm dividing. Only liquids, fluid-like structures undergoes not mitotically or equally divides of the liquid. So half liquid part is comes from the upper pole. So remaining half is also comes to the down poles. Between is also called a short thread is formation. So this is upper cell and lower cells. Two cells are also two daughter cells are formation. So this is these two daughter cells are, it is important of the, so within short period and 30 to 3 hours, 3 days, 30 minutes to 3 days, which are duration of cell division. One cell undergoes mitotically two equally. Two cells formation is within 3 hours. In normally in younger cells, but it older cells and lazy cells also called at the end of the life the cell division occurs in a, so 3 days, which is important. But the interface, prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, telophase, and telophase, that is also 66 stages are there. These all stages is important of the dividing cells, also called a dividing phase. First one is the interface are there. This interface is also called G1, S, G2. Growth 1, synthetic stage, growth 2. So growth 1, growth 2, both are called only the DNAs are which can be small size and big size. But synthetic means the DNAs are multiplies into the two DNA, that is formation is called synthetic stage, also S stage. In the S stage, the chromosomes are DNA replication takes place. The replication is which can be divided the two types: conservative process, semi-conservative process, and a perspective process. Three types. So semi-conservative process are important of universally. So large number of or the more number of the scientists are accepted method of DNA replication is called semi-conservative. Means our part of the parent, that remaining of part of the daughter, both are called equal to the genetically inheritance characters, and the parent chromosomes of genetical characters are carries to the of character carries to the daughter generation. Remaining of characters of genetical materials are prepared by new cell, that is also semi-conservative process. So this semi-conservative process are a best method for gene cloning process, gene dividing or DNA replication. So this is also important of this part. So here is a centrioles are present. Centrioles means a small threads which are jointed from the upper cell, upper nucleus and lower, upper pole and lower pole, two nucleus are jointing in the threads, which is also centrioles. Between part is also called chromosomes are there, but here the between and upper and lower, so both are called which are jointed to formation of the also membranes, also plasma membranes are there. So but here is a prometaphase. This is all stages are there. First use this. So this is the first stage is also mitosis or somatic cells, which is the interface, and also called prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. But here is also that how many cells are formation in the how to formation, that is the total description here. But here correct here interface, this one. The interface is also chromatin and that is cytoplasm. Also here a prophase, prophase. This one is a prophase. Here metaphase, here anaphase. Here is also telophase. The telophase is formation of two cells study. But after cytokinesis, this one two cells are formation. That is also exciting figures of this one. So this one is a prophase of mitosis definitions, and also stages of applications are there. So this is also prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and also telophase and cytokinesis. So this is totally important of the duration. So much duration of there 30 minutes to 3 hours, not 3 days. 30 minutes is also young cells. When young cells, the cell division occurs in 30 minutes within. Then also got in the rarely older cells 3 hours. Only one cell divides to the two cells. That is also 3 hours. So this is also important of the all type of the materials. Also all type of the mitosis is also the mitosis is not a major role. Only dead bodies also yeast cells and also other type of the primitive cells undergoes mitosis. So this is also important of the cell division. The cell division is a major important.